People keep asking how to make money from their hobbies, so I ran a poll to see what the top hobby was. The answer? Pets. If you have a pet, you already have content and products you can monetize. Today I'm showing you 5 real ways that you can do it. And no, I'm not talking about dog walking or pet sitting. Everyone talks about that. I'm talking about real ways to make money while you're already hanging out with your pet. Here's the thing that most people miss about pet content. The pet doesn't need to be trained. It doesn't need to do tricks. It just needs to be itself. One creator I saw post videos of her cat just sitting in boxes. That's it. Cat, box, millions of views. Because pet owners watch and think, that's exactly what my cat does. So it's relatable. And relatable beats impressive every time. Content, digital products, stock photos, and some ideas that might surprise you. So let's get into it. So here's what we're going to cover. First, how to turn your pet into content that actually makes money. Second, digital products you can create using your pet. Third, how to sell your pet photos and videos as stock content. And fourth, how to earn money just by sharing what you already use. And fifth, a bonus idea that not a lot of people are talking about yet. So let's start with the obvious one, social media content. But here's the thing most people miss. Posting cute pet videos, not a business. Posting cute pet videos with a strategy is. The money isn't the views. That's just the sprinkling. The money is in what you recommend. Think about it. Every video you post, your pet is using something. A leash, a toy, a bed, a treat, a bowl. That's affiliate income waiting to happen. And here's how this works. You post a video of your dog obsessed with a specific toy. You link that toy in your bio, comment, description with an Amazon affiliate link. Someone watches, they click, they buy, and you get a commission. You don't sell anything. You just showed your pet being your pet. Now multiply that by every product your pet uses: leashes, harnesses, food, treats, grooming tools, beds, crates, carriers. One creator I found makes thousands each month from just pet product affiliate links. And she doesn't have 1 million followers. The key is consistency and tagging products in every post. Some platforms for this are TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, Facebook. And one more thing before we move on. If you're nervous to be on screen, start with the pet. Go faceless. Just your pet and your hands, maybe your voice. You don't have to be on the screen. The pet is the star. You're just the person that hits record. Some of the biggest pet accounts never show the owner's face. Some of my favorite affiliate programs are Amazon Associates, Chewy, PetSmart. You don't need millions of followers. You just need the right products and consistent content. If you want to see what a full pet content ecosystem looks like, check out Randomly Mario on TikTok. Profile name KG and Mario. This creator has built everything. A loyal community, merch, a newsletter, affiliate links, KDP coloring book, digital products, and a subscription. All from one pet. One account, multiple income streams. That's the model, and that's what's possible. Now here's one thing that's blowing up right now. Pet UGC. And UGC stands for user-generated content. Brands pay regular people to create content for their products. And guess what? Pet brands, they need this too. They need real pet owners showing their products in action. They don't want polished ads. They want real content from real pet parents. And you can charge $50 to $200 per video just filming your pet using a product. So where do you find these gigs? My favorite 2 places are Fiverr and Upwork. Go onto those sites, search Pet UGC, and you'll see tons of creators getting hired to play with pets. Here's the play. Create a simple portfolio of you filming your pet with different products. And it doesn't have to be fancy. Phone footage is completely fine. Then pitch to pet brands or list your services and let them come to you. One creator on Fiverr charges $150 per UGC video, and they have over 200 reviews. Do the math. That's $30,000 from pet videos on one platform. Now, these first 2 ideas are about content and brand deals. But what if you want something more passive? Something you create once and it keeps paying you. That's where digital products come in. Here's what most pet lovers don't realize. You already have content. You just haven't packaged it yet. Think about everything you know about your pet. Training tips, feeding schedules, vet visits, checklists, hacks, travel tips, grooming routines, medicine. That's a digital product. You could create a pet care planner, a new puppy checklist, a dog training journal, a pet expense tracker, a pet health log. You can sell it on Etsy, Amazon KDP, or your Stan store, or your link in bio. One pet planner I found on Etsy has made thousands in sales, and it has less than 60 pages. And you could probably make this in Canva using AI. Here's the key. Solve a specific problem for a specific pet owner. Not just dog owners. Think first-time puppy parents, senior dog caregivers, cat owners who travel, multi-pet households. The more specific, the better it sells. Okay, this next one is underrated. You're already taking photos of your pet, probably hundreds, maybe thousands. What if those photos could make you money while you sleep? Stock photo and video sites pay you every time someone downloads your content. Sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, iStock, Pond5. Pet content is in high demand. Brands, bloggers, advertisers, they all need authentic pet photos, not generic stock photos of dogs. They want real pets and real moments. Here's the move. Take 10 to 20 of your best pet photos, upload them to 2 to 3 stock sites, add good keywords, and then let them sit. You might make $1 to $5 per download, but it adds up over time. One photographer I found makes between $500 and $800 per month just from pet stock photos. She uploads them once a week and then lets them compound. And here's the bonus that not a lot of people are talking about. Take your pet photos, use AI, and turn them into clip art. You can use AI tools like Midjourney, DALL-E, ChatGPT, Nano Banana, even Canva, and transform a photo into illustrated art. Now you have a unique design based on your pet. You can sell that clip art as a digital download, or you could put it on products and sell print on demand. T-shirts, mugs, towels, totes, phone cases, notebooks, all featuring your pet's likeness as custom artwork. Imagine selling a mug with your cat's face as a cartoon. People do this and they make thousands of dollars. Some of the best platforms for this are Etsy for digital downloads, Printify or Printful for print on demand, Redbubble, and Merch by Amazon. Your pet becomes your brand, and your brand becomes your business. And if you don't think that clip art sells, check out Design and Crafty on Etsy. This shop has made over $670,000 from clip art alone in less than 3 years. That's not a typo. $670,000 from digital clip art. Now imagine your pet's face as clip art people are buying. So let's break down what all of these have in common. 1, you're already spending time with your pet. These ideas don't add work, they monetize what you're already doing. 2, they're low startup cost. Most of these, you just need a phone and a free account. 3, multiple income streams from one pet. Content, affiliate links, UGC, digital products, stock, merch. 4, passive potential. Digital products and stock photos keep earning whether you touch them or not. And 5, you don't need a huge following. Affiliate links, UGC, stock photos, they all work with 0 followers. And here's the truth. Your pet is already creating content. Every walk, every nap, every weird thing they do. The only question is whether you're capturing it and monetizing it. You don't need to be a pet influencer. You just need to be strategic. Pick one of these ideas and start this week and see what happens. And if you're thinking that this doesn't actually work, let me give you some numbers. The pet industry is over $300 billion. Pet influencers are getting brand deals for treats, toys, beds, insurance, medicine. This isn't a silly side hustle. This is a real market with real money and way less competition than you think. And if you want to know more AI side hustles for beginners, you can check out this video. And comment below what pet you have and what idea you're trying first. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.